And that actually brings us to the next story. How small is this entry-level iPhone 12 with that $699 price tag coming in at 5.4 inches? What can we expect with this thing? Now, it's a bit bizarre, but it's a bit bizarre because last year or last time around with the iPhone 11, the entry-level phone was not the smallest phone. The entry-level phone was whatever, 6.1 inches. And then the
10R?
No, after the 10. I'm just talking regular iPhone 11.
Okay.
Regular iPhone 11 versus the iPhone 11 Pro non-Max.
Right.
It went up and then down and then up in scale. Now, this time around, the 5.4-inch model is the entry-level model. It's almost like an upgraded SE, sort of. Like what the SE could have or should have been. Although the SE branding, it's all weird. Maybe going forward, that's what that entry model will be. As possibly Apple determined, this is speculation, that there's a demand for these easy-to-hold type of things because it seems the SE is pretty successful. And I don't know that it's all about price. I think some people are interested in a smaller phone, at least if it's a smaller Apple phone, maybe less on the Android side.
Right.
We don't know. We are speculating as we would and as we do. But anyway, so a lot of people are curious what that scale is actually like. And funny enough, beyond the article here on Mac Rumors, I actually have those dummy units. Look at this right here. This is a dummy iPhone 12 entry model with the 2-camera setup. And look, it's in white, so you can actually even probably see it a little bit better. It's tiny. It's very SE. And not just SE like now SE. It's very OG SE.
Yeah.
The original iPhone SE. That's going to be a little bit bigger than that, but the screen to body is, I mean, it's a fairly tight setup. It's almost all screen. I think this is really what people wanted with the SE. If Apple launched something like this for $500 instead of $700, oh man, you get the world talking.
And it still has that industrial design.
Yeah, it's got the flat edges, the new thing they're supposedly working on. I mean, the notch is still fairly large, and the ratio of notch to screen is different when you have a smaller display or a more narrow body on it. But this is comfy to hold. Of course, if this ends up being the eventual thing, but it seems that it would be. So here is the bigger model. If you hold it, I mean, it's kind of wild. Look at this thing. It's quite a bit. You don't know this phone because this would be the Pro model, but if I hold it up, this is check this out. This is a OnePlus 8 Pro, and this would be, look at that thing. Can they see this, Will?
Yeah.
They can see that?
Just like the screenshot here.
Whoa. It's just like the screenshot there. I mean, yeah, it's a big difference. So I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing. I don't know if people want as much screen as they can get at the entry-level price. Time will tell, and we'll find out. But Apple has made a commitment in a big way to a smaller form factor. I know a lot of smartphone fans actually asked for that option to be a thing. So I personally think it could be a hit. We'll see how it goes. The SE seems to act as an indicator right now for at least some of the interest in the smartphone marketplace not being what you might expect. Processing power over other attributes and scale. Maybe not everybody needs a giant phone.